So today I am going to start the clamper circuit using op-amp. Now this is the basic circuit of the clamper circuit using op-amp. Here you can see that the reference voltage is derived from the positive power supply given to the op-amp, and it is a variable reference voltage, means we can vary the magnitude of the reference voltage, and it is given to the non-inverting input terminal of op-amp, and what is connected to inverting input terminal is the AC voltage source with one capacitor, and in the output of the op-amp we have a diode. Now when we initially we consider only the V reference signal, we are not considering the input signal and the capacitor. So what happens, since we are not considering input signal, here voltage is 0 and here the V reference voltage, and here the V reference voltage is say some positive value. So obviously the output of the op-amp will be positive, which is enough to drive this diode in forward bias, and to make this diode on. This diode becomes on, and then it is just a voltage follower circuit. That means output voltage is equal to the V reference voltage. So even with no input signal I am getting some V reference voltage. That means there is some initial DC level to which the signal will be clamped. Now if we consider next we consider the presence of the AC input signal, and then what happens is, now considering this as the virtual ground, we can say on this line we have V reference voltage, and when we did not consider input signal, V reference voltage was there and the capacitor also charged to the V reference. Now when we are considering the input AC signal and the capacitor, and we are considering that the input voltage is actually sinusoidal, but we begin explanation by considering that initially we have this negative voltage. So when V input voltage is negative, then it is less than V reference. I am considering the V reference voltage to the positive input terminal as positive. So Vref, whatever be the value of input signal, it is negative. We are considering first negative, so it is less than the V reference. So the output will be still positive, and the diode will be forward biased. So what will happen? This connection with this circuit will be complete, and the capacitor will go on charging. As the input voltage is negative, the capacitor will go on charging in this way, because negative means what? We can consider like this positive, this negative. So this side will be positive and this side will be, this is the negative. So the capacitor will go on holding the charge till its maximum peak value. Okay, so because capacitor holds and retains the charge, there is no discharge path, so maximum value Vm it retains during the negative half cycle. Now when the input signal is positive, during the positive half cycle of the AC input signal, this is positive, this is negative, then what happens is, this charge on the capacitor, which is Vm, this adds with the input AC signal and also added with the V reference voltage, because here is V reference. So considering these two to be virtual ground, here also we will have V reference signal. So this is also V reference signal. So during positive half cycle, actually the input is Vi plus Vm plus V reference, and obviously it is more than V reference. So the voltage at inverting input is more than that of non-inverting. So the output of this op-amp will be negative. Output of the op-amp is negative. So this is reverse bias. Diode is reverse bias. So this connection is not there. So what we will get in the output is just Vi plus Vm, Vi plus Vm plus V reference. V reference voltage we will get like this. Even after in the second cycle, when it goes negative, it will remain above V reference. So output signal is getting clamped. So if you see what is happening here is that you can see this is AC signal. This is 0 here. So you see this output got clamped because output signal is now Vi plus Vm plus V reference. Yes, my reference voltage can be negative. In that case, it will be clamped in this way. So that is how a clamper circuit works.